Previously on the Balloon Guys.
And we're back for a tiny snake. That thing sure can squeeze. You all right, Eric?
I'm going to be all right.
You sure?
I'm going to be all right, yeah.
Okay, well listen, I have the next egg sitting here on the table, and I have a lot of clues for you.
This thing is so cool. I've never seen an egg like this.
It actually is very cool, but you know what? Some eggs are laid one at a time, not eggs like this. These are laid by the dozens, and they incubate in water.
That's an excellent clue.
Thank you, but you know what? I have a lot of totally excellent clues for you today. This animal is an amphibian, and that means it lives in both land and water. It has big, bulging eyes. Eric, what are you doing?
I am becoming one with the creature. This will help me figure out this egg mystery.
Whatever works for you. Now, back to the eyes. This animal has big, bulging eyes, and they actually can work independently of one another.
What does that mean?
That just means that one eye can be looking one direction, and the other eye can look in a completely different way.
No way! Let's try it! Go behind me!
Can you see me?
I can see you!
How about now?
I can totally see you!
Can you see me?
I can see you!
How's my comb over look from this angle?
Best hairdo I've ever seen!
How about now?
I can still see you!
How about now?
Incredible! I don't know what that animal is, but I want to be one.
Not so fast, Eric. This animal needs constant moisture, so it basically always lives around water, or else it risks drying out and dying. Additionally, this animal's diet consists primarily of insects.
I changed my mind. I don't want to be one.
I thought so. Another clue, this animal, although it breathes through its lungs, it also breathes through its skin.
Ooh, I want to try. Impossible. I can't do it.
And for our last clues, this animal can jump an astounding 20 times its body length. And it catches prey with its long tongue. Did you figure it out?
It's a frog!
Good guess, Eric. Oh, look, I think the eggs are ready to hatch.
Wait, Professor, I thought you said this is a frog. This doesn't look anything like a frog.
Well, Eric, let me tell you, when a frog first hatches from the egg, it doesn't come out looking like a frog at all. It comes out as a tadpole. A tadpole is basically just a little body with no arms or legs and has a long, skinny tail.
Wow, so cool.
Yeah, and normally it takes a while for it to mature into an adult frog, but since this is a short video...
Wow! Now that's what I call a frog! Ooh. Oh! This is the roughest guessing game I've ever played.
Eric, look at you. You look like you're trying to win a court case.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer as we speak.
All right, well, listen, do you want to keep going or do you want to stop?
For the sake of all the kids out there, let's keep going.
Eric, I admire your perseverance. Okay, so let's look at this next egg. Incidentally, this is the largest egg that we've had all day. And that's our first clue. This is the largest bird on Earth.
Oh, I got it. It's a bird. I win.
Oh, calm down, Tiger. You gotta have to tell me what kind of bird it is.
Oh, well, in that case, continue.
Thank you. Now, where was I? This is the largest bird on Earth. In fact, it weighs as much as you and I put together. And it's taller than a fully grown man. What are you doing?
Just trying to put it in perspective. Holy cannoli, this bird is huge.
Yes, it is. Now, Eric, another clue. This bird, it can't fly.
Wait, this bird can't fly? Poor birdie.
Eric, don't feel so bad. This bird's legs are so powerful that it can run as fast as a car with speeds of up to 40 miles an hour.
I can run that fast.
40 miles an hour? You think you can run 40 miles an hour? It's crazy.
Yup, second grade relay race champion. 4 years in a row.
4 years? Wait a minute. You were in second grade 4 years in a row?
My elevator didn't go all the way up to the top floor. All right, time me.
Okay, let's do it. On your mark, get set, go. Eric, come on, buddy, come here. Come on back. You don't have to prove anything to me. Come on.
Okay.
Come on back here, Eric. It's all right. It's okay. You gave it your best shot.
Well, am I as fast as that bird?
Actually, you're more on par with the speed of the first animal.
The turtle?
Exactly. And for our final clues, this animal is an omnivore, which means it eats plants and animals. Also, it has a long neck and equally long legs. So, Eric, do you think you know what kind of bird we're dealing with here?
Oh, I think I know what it is. Does everybody out there know what it is? Come on, tell me. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is it an ostrich?
Hey, Eric, you're on a roll today.
Oh, thank you.
You know what, let me ask, how did you fail second grade?
You know, I was a slow learner,
Well, you know what, you're doing great today. You're guessing everything. Oh, wait a minute, I think I hear the egg hatching.
Whoa! Whoa! This ostrich got really big, really fast.
Well, you know, Eric, we only have so much time. These are short videos.
Professor, I don't mean to sound paranoid, but I don't like the way this ostrich is looking at me.
Eric, there's only one thing you can do. Duck and cover.
Too late!